Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add products to your BigCommerce store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this work is the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official BigCommerce website right here, bigcommerce.com, if you have not already. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page from which we can get started. Now we have two options. First option is if you have not already created a store. If you do not already have a store, what you can do is take a look right here at the top of the screen. You have the enterprise and small business section. If you're in an enterprise, from the enterprise section you can get started exploring the platform and requesting a demo. In the upper right corner you can get started creating an account, inputting your store info, and then requesting a demo for your store to test out the platform. If you're a small business, you can just click the small business section at the top of the screen to get started with the free trial. By clicking start free trial option, it's going to enable you to also create an account, enter in your info, and get started creating your store and your free trial to test out how BigCommerce works. So once you have set up your store, now we can get started. What I suggest to do if you want to go and create your own store is to follow this article right here, a tutorial for beginners of BigCommerce, showing you how to get started by creating your account as I have just showed you and setting up your BigCommerce store profile, giving your store a name, address, everything you need, and then choosing and customizing your store. So as you can see here, we have an option for adding content pages and blogs as well as a product section. So to add the products guys, what you want to do, you need to navigate to the products tab and add section. So basically once you open up your products tab, this is your BigCommerce store. This is how it's going to look like once you log in. Here with the left side screen, as you can see, you have the products tab. By opening up the products tab, you're going to see an option that says add. You want to click the add button. This is going to enable you to add any kind of product that you want to your BigCommerce store and get started with setting up your store for usage. And it's easy as that. So you can go and check out the article for yourself and explore the dashboard right here with yourself as well. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.